Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we'll cover the top 10 most commonly confused words in English. Affect versus affect.
Affect, a verb meaning to influence something. Example, the weather affects my mood.
Affect, a noun meaning the result or outcome of something. Example, the effect of the rain was a cooler temperature. Its versus its.
Its is a possessive form of it, showing ownership. Example, the dog wagged its tail.
Its this is a contraction of it is or it has. Example, it's going to rain soon. Advice versus advice.
Advice, a noun meaning a suggestion or recommendation. Example, she gave me great advice.
Advice, a verb meaning to offer guidance. Example, I advise you to take the bus. Accept versus accept.
Accept, a verb meaning to agree or receive. Example, I accept your apology.
Accept, a preposition meaning excluding. Example, everyone is invited except you. Practice versus practice.
Practice, a noun, typically used in American and British English. Example, I have piano practice today.
Practice, a verb used in British English. Example, she needs to practice her guitar. Compliment versus compliment.
Compliment, a polite expression of praise. Example, he gave her a nice compliment.
Compliment, something that completes or goes well with something. Example, the wine complements the meal. Further versus farther.
Further, used to describe metaphorical or figurative distance. Example, let's discuss this further.
Farther, used to describe physical distance. Example, he ran farther than I did. Stationary versus stationary.
Stationary, something that is not moving. Example, the car was stationary.
Stationery, writing materials like paper and envelopes. Example, she bought new stationery for school. Then versus than.
Then, it refers to time or a sequence of events. Example, first we went to the market, and then we had lunch.
Than, it is used to compare two things. Example, she is taller than her brother. Loose versus loose.
Loose, it means not tight or free. Example, the shirt is too loose on me.
Lose, it means to misplace or fail to win. Example, I always lose my keys. Remember, mastering these word pairs will boost your English confidence. Thanks for watching the video.